Blow to the Rastafarian community after the High Court dismissed their application seeking to legalize the use of bhang for religious purposes, ruling that they failed to prove that Kenya's drug laws violate their constitutional rights. And as Joash Onsare now reports, Justice Mwamuye acknowledged the need for a broader national debate on cannabis policy.
In a landmark judgment delivered on Wednesday, Justice Mwamuye held that the petitioners failed to discharge the burden of proving that the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Control Act violates their rights to freedom of religion, conscience, and belief as guaranteed under the Constitution. The court found that the petitioners did not provide sufficient evidence to demonstrate that the criminalization of cannabis substantially interferes with the practice of the Rastafarian faith or that the existing law is unconstitutional. Justice Mwamuye further ruled that Kenya's laws prohibiting the cultivation, possession, and use of cannabis remain valid and enforceable. He noted that any exemption allowing religious use of cannabis would require clear constitutional and legal basis, which the petitioners failed to establish.
Rastafari and Jah is not a Kenyan issue. It's a global issue.
The ruling marks a significant setback for the Rastafarian community, whose members had asked the court to recognize the sacramental use of cannabis as an integral part of their religious practice and to exempt them from criminal liability.
We shall be seeking that the President of the Court of Appeal empanels this matter with 7 judges.
Our case has taken a long time. Justice delayed, Rasta.
Justice denied.
They are denying our rights, and we have a constitution, very progressive constitution on the planet.
Following the judgment, the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Control Act remains fully in force, with no religious exemption granted for the use of cannabis. Members of the Rastafarian community will therefore continue to be subject to Kenya's existing drug laws. Joash Onsare, TV 47, Nairobi.